Hi everybody, it's Tereese again. Oh my gosh, I just got a package in the mail and it is from Rose, who's Rose Akala here on YouTube, and I'll have her link down below, guys. Oh my gosh, um, I forget whose live it was. Um, it was, I don't know if it was it on your live, Rose? I'm not sure. Maybe it was, yeah, it was Rose's first live video. Oh my gosh, I can't remember. Correct me if I'm wrong. But, or was it on Maddie's channel? Gosh, I can't remember. Anyway, they were doing it was like a trivia question or something like that. It was a Christmas trivia question, and the question was, who was Rudolph's father? And I guess I was the first one to comment, Donner. So I won something from Rose. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And she wrapped it up so pretty. And look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh my God, thank you so much, Rose. Oh my gosh. And then she gave me some pretty doilies. Oh my gosh. I love doilies. And so I don't know what this is. She said she wanted to, I don't know, I think she made this. So, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I got something from Rose. I know she does amazing work, so this has to be. How come I can't take this off? I can't untie it. So thank you so much, Rose. I'm sure this is gorgeous. You do such wonderful work. I love watching you on everybody's lives. And I love your happy bag, so I can imagine what this is. What is this? I don't know what this material is, but it is so cool and it's so vintage. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh my gosh, Rose. Is this a pocket? No. Look at this. Oh my word. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh, and the layers. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna hang it somewhere in here. This is not going on my tree. I don't know if this is an ornament, but it is so beautiful, Rose. Oh my gosh, look at these. I love these. I've been wanting to buy some of those. And she has this like ribbon cluster here. It's like a ribbon flower. And she has a bow and she has some lace. And look at these dangle trims. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty and it's pink. I love pink. Oh my gosh. Okay, everybody. I don't know what material this is. It's like cheesecloth almost. It is so cool. Thank you so much, Rose. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It is so precious. So anyway, thank you so much, Rose, for my gift, for what I won. I believe it was on your live. I could be wrong, but thank you, thank you, thank you, Rose. I so love your work. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video, probably next year. Bye.